How to log into your Wells Fargo Bank's online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Wells Fargo Bank's online banking account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference and in the web address bar, simply type in Wells Fargo. After that, tap on the first link, which is wellsfargo.com. Now you will be taken to the official homepage of Wells Fargo, where in order to log into your account, you'll have to basically locate the login box, which is basically this right over here. So in order to log in, simply enter your username, your password, and once you tap on the option sign on, you'll have successfully logged in or signed in to your Wells Fargo Bank's online banking account. But in any case you forgot your username or your password, you can simply reset it by tapping the option forgot username or password, and once you follow all the steps provided to you, you will have successfully reset or recovered your username or your password. And similarly, let's say you are not yet enrolled to online banking services of Wells Fargo Bank, you can simply enroll to online banking services by tapping the option enroll and following all the steps provided. So that is basically how you log into your Wells Fargo Bank's online banking account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.